Meaning of grace and favor.
Grace and favor.
Grace and favor.
Grace and favor.
Grace and favor. Grace and favor refers to the practice of providing someone with the use of a property, usually a residence, for free or at a reduced cost. This term is commonly used in the context of royal or government properties, where such arrangements are typically made for individuals who hold positions of influence or who provide some kind of service to the state. In essence, it is a form of patronage extended by those in power to those they deem worthy of the privilege. This practice has historical roots in feudalism and still exists in some modern-day societies.